Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you UAE teaching job. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.virginiaschool.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Virginia International School. In this main page menu available, in this menu one of the option about VIPS. If you click this link, you can get one option career opportunities. So if you click this link career opportunities, it will be redirected to the what are the career opportunities for Virginia International School. The first one is primary class teacher, kindergarten to grade 5, hiring still ongoing. This position offers an exciting opportunity for outstanding class teacher to work in our kindergarten or elementary phase. Then teacher of English secondary, teacher of mathematics secondary, teacher of science secondary. So these are all the vacancies. For example, if you are interested for teacher of mathematics, you can click this link, read more. So job description and person specification they are given here. So our focus on purely on your ability as a practitioner. So experience with a US curriculum is not essential. So leadership opportunity may be available for the right candidate. So what are the job description, learning and teaching they are given. Professional skills and experience. Teaching secondary mathematics 1 year or more. Excellent classroom practice. Continuous professional development. Digital learning and the use of ICT. Effective involvement and engagement. Behavior management. Knowledge of UAE school system and culture. Knowledge and experience in the American curriculum. Desirable but not mandatory. The personal skills and attributes they are given. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV and cover letter to hr@virginiaschool.ae. Otherwise, teacher of science secondary, you can click this link, read more. Teacher of secondary. So specialist of biology, chemistry or physics classes may also become available in the high school of for a suitable candidates. A science category, physics, chemistry, biology vacancies. So job description, learning and teaching they are given here. Professional skills and experience. The secondary science teaching experience 2 years or more. Excellent classroom practice. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, experience, etc. So if you are interested the science teacher for physics, chemistry, biology vacancies, you can send your CV and cover letter to hr@virginiaschool.ae. So teacher of English, the US curriculum is not essential. Teacher of English also you can check here. Demonstrate a high level of commitment and professionalism. Have excellent and written and verbal communication skills in English. So no need IELTS. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your job application hr@virginiaschool.ae. The second one is you can enter in the URL victoriaenglishschool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Victoria English School, Sharjah. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers at VES. If you click this link, it will be directed to the careers at VES. This is one of the Sharjah school. The school is entering and exciting new phase of development and brand new for the academic year 22-23. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. Once you are satisfied with that, you can apply as per the instructions. The school also holds staff-related celebrations such as the wish staff dinner and iftar dining during Ramadan. So our package is aimed to provide full support and stress-free process for new staff. Benefit include 2-year initial contract, tax-free salary, return flights, accommodation, full medical cover, visa process, 50% attestation cost, discount for dependent, full salary gratuity, full induction program and support, buddy to help settle in, 100 hours of CBD per year. So these are the benefits once you get the job. So if you are interested, current vacancies, you can find our current vacancies in the test. So if you click this link, it will be redirected to the Victoria English School. What are the teaching job vacancies? So primary teacher key stage 2 January 2022 start. Art teacher secondary January 2022 start. And English teacher A level January 2020. So these are the vacancies. So all the jobs are going to apply up 21st October 2021 deadline for primary teacher, and art teacher is 31st October 2021. English teacher 17th November 2021. So before that you can submit your job application. For example, if you are interested for primary teacher case stage 2, you can click this link. Job posted 8th September 2021. So apply before 21st October 2021. So the contract is 2 years renewable contract. Position description they are mentioned here. Be a passionate educator in your subject and be a lifelong learner. So what are the qualification and requirement? Bachelor degree or bachelor in an academic subject with 1 year experience. Please do not apply if you do not meet this requirement. Successful candidate will be dedicated, flexible and able to work both independently and collaboratively as a part of a team. They would be a form teacher and contribute to the school extracurricular program. Able to attend virtual Skype interview or face-to-face interview if resident within the UAE. If you are in UAE, you can attend direct face-to-face interview. Otherwise, they will conduct virtual Skype interview. So what are the remuneration and benefit? Tax-free salary paid monthly, 2-year renewable contract, furnished accommodation, private health insurance, annual flight, end of contract gratuity, visa cost, 50% attestation of qualification, CPD 100 hours. So what are the facilities? The campus with the school seeking to move a new larger purpose build campus within the next 5 years. The what are the vacation? Public, national, Christmas, Easter and summer holidays. So all the details available in this page itself. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. One by one you can check. Art teacher secondary also you can check here. This job deadline of this application 31st October 2021. Job posted 16th August 2021. Experienced candidate. What are the position description and qualification and requirement? Bachelor degree in arts or art studies. Please do not apply if you do not meet this requirement. Successful candidate will be flexible, able to work both independently and collaboratively as a part of team. Candidate must have experience in teaching A-level art. So you can check one by one. Finally, English language teacher A-level January 2022. The same procedure. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. Here apply now. If you click this link, it will be redirected to the one job application form. This job application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are only 8 sections in this application form. You will require to upload your bachelor degree certificate and bachelor transcript. Please ensure you have all documents ready to upload begin this process. So here itself they are given. Before continuing, kindly make sure you have got a copy of your bachelor degree certificate and bachelor transcript ready to upload. These documents are mandatory and failure in upload these documents will result in your application getting rejected. So like this they are mentioned here. First one is job application form personal details. Once you have completed, it will be given to next. So job history. One by one you can fill and submit. Once you want to add another one mean you can give it to add another, it will be show another row. Then once you have finished you can give it to the next educational qualification. Once you have finished your educational classification, you can add another. If you give it to another, it will be redirected to the another one row. So once you have completed your educational qualification, give it to the next. So drop your files here and click to upload. So bachelor degree certificate and bachelor transcript copies are mandatory. Application will fail to submit if these documents are not uploaded. The total size of file uploaded should be 100 MB. So you have to upload your degree certificate and transcript. Transcript means your consolidate mark sheet. Once you have completed, you can get the submit. Once you have submit, you can get the acknowledgement via email for your future reference. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. I hope you can get a great job. Good luck with your job search. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.